Hey guys, Toby Mathis here with Anderson Business Advisors, and I want to invite you to our tax and asset protection workshop. They're absolutely free, but we're really going to be focusing in on three things: preserve, protect, and prosper. In fact, we believe that those are so strong that they're part of our mission at Anderson. It is preserve, make sure that you're preserving your assets so that they're good for the future. Protect. We want to keep lawyers, snoops, and Uncle Sam out of your affairs. We want to minimize your taxes. We want to make it that your stuff doesn't show up in the public record so people cannot find out everything that you own just by looking at your name. We don't want that. We want to keep the snoops at bay. We want to keep the lawyers. We want to put a little attorney begone on it. So protect from lawyers, snoops, and Uncle Sam, and prosper. We want you to grow your assets and create a legacy so you can pass them on in a loving, caring way to the organizations or the people that you care about, rather than a default where you get tied up in a court system where everybody fights. So I want to invite you. It's one day, and you're going to get so much information. My partner Clint does a fantastic job going over trusts, LLCs, corporations, what they are, how to use them. I dive into the taxes of how you can unlock a ton of tax benefits that you don't even realize are out there. And we'll finish off with how you can create a legacy that is so simple and easy. You're going to be going, why didn't they tell me about that? How easy and inexpensive it was to do something great for my family. So we'll see you there.